Hi everyone, welcome back to Talking Easy channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Ella.
And I'm Alex. Today we're going to talk about something everyone loves, food. Food isn't just about eating. It's about memories, family, and those small moments that make life warm.
Exactly. When people start learning English, they often practice simple topics like, what's your name, or where are you from? But when it comes to talking about food, many freeze up.
That's true. Someone asks, "What's your favorite food?" And suddenly your mind goes blank. You know what you love, but the words just disappear.
So today, let's fix that. We'll show you how to talk naturally about your favorite food in English, like a real conversation, not a textbook.
And while we're at it, we'll share fun stories and easy phrases you can use anywhere, at a restaurant, with friends, or when you travel.
All right, let's start with something simple, Alex. What's your favorite food?
That's hard. But if I have to choose, I'd say pizza. A big cheesy slice hot from the oven. That's my weakness.
I knew it. You've mentioned pizza at least 100 times. What kind of pizza do you like most?
Margarita, just tomato, mozzarella, and basil. Simple, but perfect. What about you, Ella?
For me, it's sushi. It's fresh, colorful, and so delicate. Every bite feels like a small piece of art.
I love that. So we've got pizza and sushi, two completely different worlds of flavor.
See? Even that can be a great conversation starter. You can say, my favorite food is sushi because it's light and healthy, or I love pizza because it's cheesy and comforting.
That's a great tip. When talking about your favorite food, always say why you like it. The reason makes your answer sound more natural and interesting.
Let's practice together. Repeat after me. I love pasta because it reminds me of home. I like spicy noodles because they wake me up. Perfect! You can also use adjectives like sweet, spicy, salty, crispy, or creamy to describe your food.
Exactly. For example, I love ice cream because it's sweet and creamy. Or I enjoy fried chicken because it's crispy on the outside and juicy on the inside.
And don't forget, your tone matters. When you talk about your favorite food, smile a little. It makes your voice sound alive and natural.
That's so true. English isn't just grammar, it's feeling. When you feel emotion, the words come easier.
You know, Ella, food is also a great topic for small talk.
Exactly. When you meet someone new, ask, "What kind of food do you like?" Or, "Do you like spicy food?" It's friendly and easy. Everyone loves to talk about what they eat.
So let's build a mini conversation learners can use right away. Ready?
Let's do it.
What's your favorite food?
I really like pasta. What about you?
I love sushi. It's light and tasty.
Perfect. Add a reason and you sound natural immediately.
Let's add a memory too. I love pizza because my dad used to make it on weekends.
That's beautiful. Adding a story makes your English personal. People connect with emotions more than words.
Let's teach a few more helpful phrases. I'm a big fan of. I'm a big fan of Thai food. I can't live without. I can't live without coffee. I'm craving. I'm craving noodles right now.
Nice. Let's do a quick repeat practice. Say it with us. I'm a big fan of pasta. I can't live without tea. I'm craving ice cream. Awesome. You sound more natural already.
Alex, have you ever tried a food you didn't like?
Oh, yes. I once tried durian in Thailand. The smell was unforgettable.
Durian. That's a strong one. I tried it too. It smelled like socks, but tasted not bad.
Yeah, I respect the people who love it, but I couldn't finish one bite.
That's a great example for learners. Instead of saying, I hate it, say, I tried it once, but it wasn't for me, or it's not really my thing.
Exactly. It sounds polite and friendly.
Speaking of comfort, you know what's comforting for me? The smell of soup on a rainy day.
That's lovely. For me, it's the sound of the pan sizzling when I cook eggs in the morning, like music that starts the day.
Wow, that's beautiful. See, everyone, describing food isn't only about taste. You can talk about smell, sound, and feeling too.
Exactly. Try these examples. The soup smells amazing. The bread feels warm and soft. The noodles taste spicy and rich. Those are sensory words. They help people imagine your experience.
And they make your English sound alive and real.
Let's move on. Imagine you're at a restaurant and the waiter asks, "Are you ready to order?" What do you say next?
Many learners freeze, but it's easy. You can start with, yes, I'd like, or can I have? For example, I'd like a bowl of noodles, please. Can I have the chicken salad?
Simple, polite, and natural. And always say, please. It makes you sound kind and confident.
Exactly. If you want something special, say, can I have it without onions? Or could you make it a little less spicy, please?
Perfect. You can use without to remove something and with to add something, like, can I have it with extra cheese?
Let's act it out. You be the waiter, I'll be the customer.
Good evening. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I'd like the grilled chicken, please.
Would you like any sides with that?
Yes, I'll have mashed potatoes, please.
Perfect. Anything to drink?
Just water, thank you.
See, it's that easy when you know the pattern.
Exactly. I'd like, can I have, I'll take, all polite and natural.
Now, let's talk about being polite when eating with others. When someone serves you food, you can say, "It looks delicious," or "It smells amazing," even before tasting it.
Yes, and when you're done, say, thank you for the meal, or it was lovely. Small sentences, big feelings.
Speaking of feelings, what's your comfort food, Ella?
Probably warm rice with fried egg. Simple, but it feels like peace after a long day.
That's beautiful. For me, it's chicken soup. My mom used to make it when I was sick. Everyone has that one food that feels like a hug.
So true. And when you share that story in English, people understand your heart, not just your words.
All right, time for our vocabulary spotlight. Let's learn some new words to describe food naturally.
Number 1, savory. It means rich in flavor, not sweet. Example, I love savory snacks like fries.
Number 2, tender. It means soft and easy to chew. Example, the meat is tender and juicy.
Number 3, crunchy. That sound when you bite something crispy. Example, I like crunchy cookies.
Number 4, flavorful. It means full of taste. Example, this soup is flavorful and delicious.
Number 5, spicy. Hot with a strong flavor. Example, Indian curry is very spicy.
Number 6, fresh. Something new or natural. Example, the salad tastes fresh.
And number 7, rich. Heavy and strong in flavor. Example, this chocolate cake is so rich.
Repeat after us. Savory,
Tender,
crunchy,
flavorful,
spicy,
fresh.
rich.
Great job.
See how much you've learned today? You can now describe your favorite food, share memories, use idioms, and speak politely in restaurants.
That's right. And remember, English without emotion is like food without flavor.
Beautifully said, Ella. So everyone watching, here's your challenge for today. Comment below one sentence about your favorite food in English.
Yes, right? My favorite food is because blank. And we'll read some of your answers in the next episode.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this episode with a friend who loves food as much as you do.
Even if you remember just one new phrase today, you're already improving. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and keep adding flavor to your English every single day.
Until next time, this is Alex.
And I'm Ella. Thanks for learning with us on Talking Easy channel.
Stay curious, stay kind, and keep your words warm, like your favorite meal.